Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach.
God damn it. 뭔가 사람 니꺼 원래 또 지금 니꺼 와 다봐 ức mà chắc bà đã nắc đã message okay and
got it! Now I should be able to find the lift controls.
lift control 들어와가노 조그맣스터스 자 가슴을 이러는도샤 very full and back. Why? I've had the Jesus. Cook for me. 밥 먹고 쇼가 동안 아직 좀 매운 나가 I'm back. Good. 악산 중에서 싼 길이다. 저. Nah, nope, not nope. Here he is. I'm stupid.
There's something else in here. What's this? It looks old.
Gregory? What did you do? Something happened. I can communicate again. I think you fixed my signal. Thank you.
I can see you on the monitor. I didn't think you could stand up.
Consider it a second wind.
Freddy, I see Roxy and Monty on the cameras. They're both coming to the office.
Do not let them in. The security doors are equipped with electrical deterrents. If you see them banging on the doors, hit the appropriate button. The shock should stun them.
Okay, but how do I get out of here?
Do you see the large vent in the floor? You are probably standing right on top of it. If I can reach the room under you, I should be able to force it open and let you out. All the doors appear to be on lockdown. Look for me on the monitors. If you see me waving, push the button in front of the corresponding monitor to open the door.
There you are. See you soon.
You should.
Hurry, Gregory! I cannot stop her! Quickly, open the door.
Nahiya. Ricky, open the door. Yeah. Sumipid.
Can you see me?
Anak ko siya yan. Heaviest.
Over here.
I see you.
Over here.
Oh, hey, where? Here. Ooh, hello.
Jump down!
Freddy, I'm so sorry. I couldn't find any lift controls.
Oh,
All I found was this disc thing.
Follow me to the atrium. That is a program disc for the stage show. If you use it in the sound booth, you should be able to run a Showtime program, which will activate the lift.
activate your room.
I'm sorry, Gregory. I am in no condition to carry you.
Tawang. Masabi kaso. Iluwang na ko siyang may medicine. No. Abisak pumangan kamawa. Inututusiyan. Yung arawak po, sikuwachigo. Tiriririteon, dururu, duru. Tiririritu, dururu, dururu. Ta-da!
Gregory, my systems are failing. Go to the sound booth on the third floor balcony. Run the performance program on that disc, then meet me back on the stage. Please hurry. You do not have much time. It is almost the end of the hour. I will wait here.
I'm right here. Body. One nut. Back. I'm dead.
Freddy said the booth is on the third floor.
Nothing!
God damn it!
Keep searching. He can't hide forever.
I'm alive.
I bet I'm your favorite.
What? I'm dead! God damn it! Please, hack me. Please. My friends. Kaya nga siya ay mataktasin. Dapat yung siya no, ingat sa kita kaya karo. Bunga. Fuck you. Hindi mga
Freddy said the booth is on the 3rd floor.
You are nothing!
I know, right? Kakangukang siya, no? Yes. At that second time. I'm scared. Zoom.
Freddy said the booth is on the 3rd floor. Why are there so many security barriers now?
You're the best. You
I'm
will
dead.
find him first. I can help.
I know it.
I will wait here.
I want me here. Asusing ito nga ni Ma. Shung.
Let's rock.
Hey, joke me.
Freddy said the booth is on the 3rd floor.
This area is off limits.
Kukuko kurani pekamawa.
I bet I'm your favorite. Hey kid, come on out. I'm trying to help.
I see. You're not.
I can help.
I'm alive, bitch.
Keep searching. He can't hide forever.
This area is...
Nobody will miss you.
Of course.
I bet you don't even have friends. I bet I'm your favorite.
This area is off limits.
Keep searching. He can't hide forever. I can help.
Pinangipong. Sakko sasangaroktu dandanang ito.
Freddy said the booth is on the 3rd floor.
You can't hide forever.
Why are there so many security barriers now?
I bet I'm your favorite. Keep searching. He can't hide forever.
Your family is looking for you. Where are you?
미스와. I'm good.
You're the best. You will find him first.
Mà kiểu giặc cọc rồi. I don't know, I don't care, nasty man.
I can help. Why are there so many security barriers now? Are you lost?
Gregory!
Hey, chào mê.
You're the best. You will find him.
Achinito na kimasaya araw-araw nga. Tava. Ta nakokokomon. Ta nakangaraw ako. Lokpas la serok pila pele.มันจะปากทายักษ์ชอบกันโอ้ใช่หรอ
Staff only.
มีสิสักเกียน
I can help.
Hey!
Keep searching. He can't hide forever.
Just small for you. Thank you.
My friendly
Bitch.
staff can help.
Em cái đời của Nito. Natokas bisa kang nagsimia yan. Check.
I bet I'm
I'm here. Wow, ada. Ano na toking cái này nhá. Chicken. Bitch.
I bet you don't even have.
Hello chicken. Ticket ticket.
Who wants candy?
Ah!
Are you lost?
Shit, Jimmy Shua.
My friendly security staff can help.
Beach. Amnisan.
That should do it. I hope Freddy's okay. I should get back to the stage right away.
Mala bitch. Do 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 do. That. Nope. Imaginaw ngay đó. Hello.
Why are there so many security barriers now?
Bitch. I love you. Cái mặt hồ ngay đó mặt chúng Sabi ko tayo napitan ng pawak. Tarat, tat, tat, tarat. Be. Again.
Why are there so many security barriers now?
Ha 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 ha.
Are you lost? You can't hide forever.
Great jobs.
Tama miêu nga mình Here we go again.
Why are there so many security barriers now? Are you hungry?
Great job, Superstar. Just push that button. The lift will take us to parts and service.
Oh no! What time is it? That moon thing's gonna get me!
Quickly, get to the recharge station. Follow me.
I don't care. I'm alive.
It's past your bedtime.
Hey, chào cái mé. 뭐 적기풍아 그 잠든 the back
Come on now. We're only trying to help.
yes destroy it hey kid
Hey, job, superstar. Just push that button. The lift will take us down to parts and service.
Oh no! What time is it? That moon thing's gonna get me!
Quickly, get to the recharge station. Follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you.
It's past your bedtime.
Serious. Sabi. Kaksatin sabi.
Freddy! Can you hear me? Freddy's in there! I have to get him out!
Hi, please take this map. Take a map.
Shut the fuck up. I need
Thank you.
to
Please
say.
enjoy.
I hate that thing!
I'm alive, bitch.
It's a map of the utility tunnels. It looks like there's a security office nearby. If I can find another security badge, I can get into parts and service.
I'm quit. There's him. Tänä. Sudah ada poisit. Kau ni sinas nak pisin nak saksa masih sistem masih baik. Terus nanti terus. Bye bye.